So a few days ago, I painted, 3D printed and painted these models, Smudger. Doing some research, I tried to find the proper or close or the shade that would please me. So we find this shade, this spray paint for the body. And then we have spray painted the roof and this area, the smoke box. Lining was done with a marker. This lining was done with a marker. This is acrylic paint. I haven't done yet the semi-gloss clear coat. This is done with acrylic paintbrush. Same with the nameplate. So the test intended was to achieve these results, and I was right on my test. So in order to get those results, we need to have the lining or the nameplate sticking out of the body. Now this is better than decals. Decals are not good. I have a lot of experience on decals, so they will never match the same color or shade with the body. So I was right trying to make the lining sticking out. As you can see here, we get a very good results, and it was, like I say, it's a prototype model, looking good. I had some of these available, but I haven't the best ones, so this was not so good at my taste, because I liked the best perfection I could achieve. And this is the result we have. Results, to me, it looks good. Yes, it goes through under the tunnels, but not for the TrackMaster 2. TrackMaster 2, it's the worst. Tested on the Tomy tracks, it's perfect. Like Tomy tunnels and some TrackMaster tunnels I tested, works perfect. I don't know which ones are not working, but I think TrackMaster 2 are really bad. Seeing some videos, and they work on some sort of constructions, but my main idea was to test the shade, the color, how it looks beautiful. I'm talking about just the shell, the body kit. Is intended to make it proportional, and it looks really good. So other models for the next video.